Hey all you superstar dancers out there, it's me, Chioma. Today's dance lesson, I'm going to teach you how to do the Harlem Shake. The real Harlem Shake. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dance together! I love dancing. I've been dancing ever since I was a little girl. I've been looking up dance lessons on YouTube and elsewhere on the internet, and I've been reading books on how to do certain dances. I even come up with my own dance moves for certain songs. So come join me and I will show you how to do those cool dance moves. I hope you enjoy dancing with me as much as I will enjoy dancing with you.
I've been practicing in my mind.
What about oh, catch the vibes, the reggae and the ragtime. Oh, catch the vibes, catch the vibes.
That's right. Today's dance lesson is the Harlem Shake. The real Harlem Shake. I'm going to show you how to really do it. Okay? Now, I did learn how to do the Harlem Shake from another YouTube video or some other YouTube videos that shows how to really do the dance. So, for those of you guys who showed how to really do the Harlem Shake, I thank you. Now it's my turn. Okay? So without further ado, let's get started. One more thing. See all this space? I need about this much space to move. If you don't have a lot of space to move, feel free to pause the video and move some stuff around. And ask for help if you need to, okay? Because we don't want to trip over, break, or bump into anything, right? Safety first, so let's dance.
Oh, catch the vibes, the reggae and the ragtime. Oh.
All right, are you ready to dance? I am. So, to start, we're going to start with the basics. You can start on any shoulder you want with the Harlem Shake. We're going to start with the right shoulder. Okay? First of all, you're going to lift your right shoulder, then your left shoulder, and then right, hold, and then left, right shoulder, left, and hold. Got that? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Good! Now we're going to add something. We're going to add on, okay? We're going to do the shoulders, but we're going to lean to one side, like this. Start with the right shoulder. 1, 2, lean, hold 4. Do the same on the left. 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Got that? Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, lean, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Great! Now that you know the basics, let's add some into it. Add some style, okay? A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. La da da, la da da. 1, 2, Great! Remember, when you're doing the Harlem Shake, you can add your own style to it. Okay? That's basically what dancing is. So without further ado, let's try it with the music. We're going to try halftime first. Okay? Let's go.
I've been practicing in my mind.
Remember, freestyle in the beginning. We're going to do this halftime. I'm going to count you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, hold. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Last one. Yeah! That was hot, that was hot. And now we're going to do it again, but a little bit faster. Okay? We're going to do it with the music a little bit faster. Did I just say that?
I've been practicing in my mind.
Remember, freestyle in the beginning. We're going to do it a little bit faster. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. That's it. That's right. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. I kind of messed up a bit, but you got it. Man, that was kicking. I can do better than that. That was kicking. Yeah, I know better. That works. Anyway, now we're going to do the dance. And we're going to do it up the tempo. Real time, up the tempo. And now that you know the basics, give me some style. Give me some attitude. Give me some okay? Now let's really do the Harlem Shake. And I need to see your style. Okay? Right now, superstar, it's your
I've
turn.
been practicing in my mind.
Freestyle in the beginning. I'm gonna count you in. And after that, it's up to you, superstar. Your turn. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go! Go! Huh. Yeah! Woo! Alright, give me some! This is your time to shine! Yeah.
I never stay the same and treat your feet like a doormat. Jump around on, I'm in the spread poetic and fatty already. Open up your skull cap and let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it drain. Only I'm too cool to have a good time. Really, I'm a muted trumpet type of talk away.
Oh yeah! Congratulations, superstar! You did it! You learned the Harlem Shake. The real Harlem Shake. Well, that's about all the time we have for now. And remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and you will get it. I'm Chioma. Thank you for dancing with me. Until next time, keep dancing, superstar. And if you really like this tutorial, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and if you want to see more dance tutorials, please subscribe. Keep dancing, superstar, and I'll see you next dance tutorial. Bye.